I'm gonna open this up right now, see what they picked out for me to wear. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, if this is your first time visiting my channel. And today I have a really fun video that I've actually been wanting to do for so long, and I'm really happy that it's finally time for me to film this video because I went through a little bit of a process to get this video going. But anyway, I am going to be opening up a vintage clothing mystery box from Etsy. I thought it'd be really fun to try doing like a clothing mystery box, and so I was scouring the internet and then on Etsy I found out that they have mystery boxes that you can order in your size. They will curate an outfit for you and try to pick something out that they think you would like. I have no idea exactly what's in the box. They did list out like the types of items that I would be receiving, but they didn't list any more details regarding what the actual pieces will look like or anything like that. So all I know is that these are, oh shoot, fell on the ground. All I know is that these are actual vintage clothing pieces, but I don't have any idea what they actually are. I just know that I think I got 2 outfits. I guess we will find out and see. I got 0 input. Really, they picked out everything for me in this mystery box. So this really could be an amazing thing, like just hit the nail on the head, or it could just go completely wrong and I don't like anything. So I'm a little nervous. So let's open up this vintage mystery box. I've been waiting to open this up for days. So here's the box. It looks really small for the amount of items that, oh, there's a hair, oh, there's another hair on it. Ooh, it looks kind of small for the amount of items that I thought I would be getting in this box, but I guess you can fold it tight, I don't know. And it is opened, take that off. It is opened up because my dad likes to open up packages in the mail because he thinks that they're his. I promise I have not looked in here yet. All I did see is I saw a certain color in here because, you know, the package is open, but I didn't actually like touch anything in this package. So yeah, even though it's open, it wasn't me, okay? So I'm gonna open this up right now, see what they picked out for me to wear, and then I'm gonna put everything on. I'm gonna put the outfit on. Okay, so this is what I see when I first am opening the box. Everything looks very nicely laid out, and this is like actual like vintage, which I like. I have certain vintage things I like, but obviously I don't like every vintage thing because I don't want to look like too outdated. You know, I like to have vintage things but then make it look like more current, you know? So we'll see what this is. Okay, so the store is called The Ivory Spud on Etsy. They did ask me if I had my ears pierced or not, if I wanted earrings, and I indicated yes because I do have my ears pierced, and so I wanted earrings. And these are honestly pretty cute earrings. So these are the earrings I got. I actually like these earrings a lot. They're little floral earrings. These are cute. Yeah, these are cute. I would wear these. I'd wear these earrings. And then I also got 2 bracelets. These are the bracelets. Is it gonna focus? Hello? It's not focusing. Okay, finally it focused. But these are the 2 bracelets, and they're like Chinese, or what is this? Yeah, they're like Chinese character bracelets. A red one and a purple one. Not really my style. I mean, honestly, the red one's kind of cute. I don't know. I don't really wear bracelets that much though. I really don't. Okay, now getting on to the clothes, the juicy part. So we got some clothes. I guess I'll just take this first one. So we have oh, I'm like already disappointed. I know exactly who I can give this to though. Is this Disney t-shirt, which don't get me wrong, I like Disney. I know I seem disappointed. I do like it. I don't love it as much as other people. But like, I'm just not huge into Disney. Like, I don't watch all the movies. I don't know all the songs. Like, I'm just not crazy about it. This is a pretty cute shirt. You guys can see there. Disney World. Walt Disney World, where dreams come true. And it's like all of the different Disney characters and stuff. I think this would be perfect for my friend Justine. If you guys don't know Justine, her YouTube is Life with Justine on YouTube. She does like a lot of Disney stuff and like loves Disney World, works at Disney World. Wow, this is actually perfect for her. She's gonna be shook when she sees this. I'll actually have to message her this. So that was the first thing. I was hoping for anything but animated characters on a shirt. I was. So next we have this like, okay, I like this. I like this. This is cool. It's this, ooh, I actually really like this because I like shirts with these buttons on them. It's this like kind of like sweatshirt material. New Orleans French quarter. This is pretty cute and this looks really comfy. Yeah, I would definitely wear this. So this was a win. Yay. I'm happy I like something. And this looks like this will fit really well. I did indicate my sizing on there so they can, you know, give you the correct size. So I really like this. This is something I would totally wear. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. When I saw this color, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't really like this color. I don't like this color. Maybe it'll grow on me though. It's a jacket. So I didn't get a full outfit. Did I think that I was gonna get a full outfit or did they just say you get 3? I think they said you get 3 pieces or something like that. I don't know. Oh great. Okay, so I don't really like this color that much at all. This. Not something I would pick, like, right off the bat. Honestly, looks really nice though. Like, this is really nice jacket. It like looks super well made. I mean, it looks kind of cool. Like, I would wear this. I wish it was in a different color. Like, I don't wear or buy this color. But this is just very like blue, like, aww. I'm kind of sad. I'm sad that this isn't like something I like because I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me. Maybe I'll keep it and wear it. So I would say out of the clothing, 1 out of 3 are winners for me. So that's kind of disappointing, but I guess that's how the mystery box life goes. So there's one last thing in here. It's a handkerchief. I actually don't have one of these, and these are pretty cute. I would actually probably wear this as like a headband. I don't know, I don't really wear like hair accessories like that. It'd be kind of cute, kind of cute. So that is the end of what is in this mystery box. You know what? I'm not completely disappointed. I paid $40. This was like a $40 box of stuff. You know, not too bad. So I'm gonna try these items on, see how they look, you know, being styled, being tried on by me. So let's do this. Hey guys, so I'm trying on all of the pieces right now. This is the first item, the shirt, the t-shirt that was in there, the Walt Disney World vintagey t-shirt where dreams come true, which is really cute. This actually fits pretty well. It's like very fitted, but I like fitted shirts. So I think this is a small or a medium, I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, I think this is actually pretty cute. I don't think I would necessarily wear this just like on the reg. I don't think I would necessarily just wear this like my typical outfits or my typical style, but I think this would be really fun to wear to Disneyland or to Disney World. It's really nice, pretty nice. So I would have to say, I mean, out of my taste and my style and things I would normally buy, I would say this is maybe like a 2 out of 5 stars because it's not something I would usually gravitate towards, but I can appreciate it for what it is. So next up, guys, I'm gonna try on this jacket that was also in the box, obviously. Here's the jacket. It actually fits pretty well. It's actually pretty comfy. I think this is actually pretty cute. Like I said earlier, I wish it was a different color, and then if this was a different color, I'd probably be like obsessed with this jacket actually, because I like how it, like the style of it. I still like this jacket a lot. This is what it looks like buttoned up. yeah, I would say this is maybe like a 3 out of 5 because just the color makes me not really want to wear it as much. The next thing is this bandana, which obviously this is just a bandana. I would say I would give this like a 2 out of 5 because I don't really wear bandanas like ever, but you know, I feel like they come in handy for different things. Yeah, obviously not crazy about this. Whereas a little scarf, I don't know. I also have the accessories on right now. I have these bracelets on, which I would give these like a 1 out of 5 star because these are bracelets I would never actually pick out for myself. Like they're just not really my style at all. And then I have the earrings in, which were those little floral earrings, and I actually really like these. I would give these a 4 out of 5. These are something I would probably pick out and wear. Okay, last but certainly not least is this sweatshirt, which, oh my gosh guys, this is definitely my favorite thing I got out of the box. This is something I would genuinely pick out myself, and it's the button up like New Orleans thing. It's like soft and cute and comfy, and the sleeves are actually really long. So that's perfect for me because I'm a tall person. So, you know, the sleeves are long. This actually fits like perfectly. I'm actually so happy that everything fits me well because that's also a worry too, is it's this mystery box. They did ask for my size, but sometimes with like vintage clothes, the sizing can be completely different. I'm really happy everything fits, but this is actually so cute and comfy. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 star item, like for sure 5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, so this is definitely, I'm definitely 100% keeping this. I'm gonna keep most everything except these bracelets. I'll give these to someone or donate them. I think overall this was a pretty successful box. I definitely would do this again, but I don't know, I wish everything was like a 5 out of 5. But I understand that's not always gonna be the case, so I think I got pretty lucky with what I got in the box. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below if you liked any of these pieces, if you would ever purchase a mystery box for yourself. Let me know down below. Remember to subscribe, like this video. I would appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.